1 second. Until I had 50 fuel everywhere. You're fine. See how fuel coming out there? Fuel's going everywhere, I think. That's what we was talking about here online here recently.
That right there is either your float level is set too high or you got it too rich. I'd try raising your needle up one, like you know your needle right there. Try raising it up one.
I have. I've tried all the settings. It's still going everywhere out back.
You need to raise it. You need to
I don't know,
raise
man.
the float then.
I don't know nothing about the float, man. I don't know how to do it. I don't mess with that part really.
The float's set too low. Then like if you got it, or if you tried changing the needle and shit, and it still does that.
So it could be the float. So the float's letting too much fuel in.
The float level's too high.
So it's too high, so it's letting too much fuel.
That's what I'm guessing. I mean,
that's what we're guessing. So for Lagmeister, for everybody out there, we said we can make this video.
let's see.
Yeah, this is my 2-stroke right here, so it's a Super 8. You got, yep. See the chickies out. Yeah, those we put. Those are pretty cool. Put LEDs in it. There's a lot of fuel coming out of that thing, man. No kidding. Yeah, so I wouldn't hurt, but
That's screwed all the way in and still running.
yeah. That ain't good. That ain't good at all. Huh? That's weird.
It's a little rich, buddy.
A little rich, yeah. Well, yeah, if you screwed it all the way in. Well, wait, if you screw it all the way in, I'm backwards right now. I can't think.
Not blowing no gas right now.
I thought it was just then. I thought it was more to get something else. Yeah, it is. Let's see, come out. Well, we need to put a filter back on it anyway, really. You know what? I need to put a filter back on it.
What little gas is blowing out now?
Yeah. Okay, I still need to put a filter back. It's going to affect it. I put a filter back on it, isn't it? If we put a filter back on it, it'd probably help it out though, wouldn't it?
It would get the fuel, I guess.
I guess, I mean, yeah. Now we're coming on 4 or 5 minutes right now in this video, so I'm going to have to make it short. So. Yeah, right, put a filter back on it. I mean, there's nothing you can really do about it without putting a filter back on it, really. That one bugs. Look, it's a lot of fuel. That's a lot of fuel. That's a whole lot of fuel. More fuel than what it should be, it seems like. It's making that weird noise again now. Oh. It should be sucking the fuel in, not pushing it out, you know. You know what? But it is sucking fuel in, not pushing it out, right? That's a lot of fuel it's pushing out, so like. It's not as wet now, though.
It's not pushing out here as much now.
No, it's not.
It's a lot closer.
We were talking about boost bottles, and that could be one thing it could help fix is that right there, a problem. I said I'd make a video showing the symptoms of what it's doing and show everybody. Not as bad, but still. Yeah, I don't know, that's a lot. That's still quite a bit, but it's all good. It should kill it, man. It ain't got much fuel left in it. Seriously. I'm gonna go get some fuel and put it back in it. I wonder if can my reeds affect that at all? Can the reeds affect that?
The reeds wouldn't make it gas.
Well, we'll figure it out eventually.